How to book last minute flights on Google Flights. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can book last minute flights on Google Flights. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Google Flights account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on this page, the next step is for you to scroll down to the flight section, and then select the kind of trip you want, select the number of persons, select the class that you want, select your location, and select where you're heading to. And so once you've done that, the next step is for you to select the last minute flight. All right, if it's a last minute flight, that means that it has to be on that day, so ensure you select that. Okay, then after selecting that, select your departure date as well. But one thing you must know is that last minute flights are always very expensive because it's last minute, and so you'll be charged more. All right, so after clicking on your departure, select your arrival dates as well, and then once you've done that, click on done, and it has been selected. Once selected, click on search, and so you'll be taken to the page where you would see details about your flight. So go ahead, select the flight whose amount you can survive with, or which amount is available. Okay, select it, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So once you're on the next page, select your booking option. Right, the only booking option available here is airpiece. So just click on continue, and you'll be taken to airpiece website, and from there you can go ahead and book your flight. So this is it. All right, this is how you can book last minute flights on Google Flights. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.